Hi, I'm Shawn Weaver with Pantheon Sales and Rental, and I want to talk about the Ameripolish Colorsolve. This product you pair with the dye. You can use the classic dye or the liquid dye from Ameripolish, the SureLock dye. I like the classic, but personal preference, I think it works better. ColorSolve here, some of the benefits of it. Number one, it doubles the coverage rate of your dye. So instead of getting 400 to 600 feet, you're getting 800 to 1200 feet. So it makes your dye floors less expensive when you double it. Also, since it is penetrating so darn well, you have hardly any residue to clean off the floor with a ColorSolve. It's a product that is not as flammable with acetone, so that's a huge importance. So it's a lot safer, especially in indoor areas. So it still is a solvent, but again, it doesn't have anywhere near the flammability of acetone, so it is safer. Okay, so the way you would do this is you would put your classic dye in there, or your SureLock dye, let it sit a good hour, and then you can use it. So once you shake it up and you do it, you're going to put it into a sprayer, pour your ColorSolve, your ColorSolve in here, and then you will go ahead and pre-spray your microfiber, and then you will spray it on the floor. And this stuff, again, it's going to go down at about 8 to 1200 square feet per gallon. So you spray a little bit on the floor, and you're microfibering this into the concrete with ColorSolve. With acetone, you just spray it and let it absorb in. This you actually microfiber. I recommend microfibering this way, and then come perpendicular and do the opposite way. Because if you only go one direction, you will see some lines. But when you do a second application, it takes care of those lines. But that's how you do it. You want to go ahead and pre-wet your microfiber, mist a little bit on, and then you microfiber it into the concrete, go one direction, go the other, and there's ColorSolve. It works great. So if you ever get in a situation where you only have, let's say you're doing a 1200 square foot job and you only have one dye, well, you can add ColorSolve, and now you can do 1200 square feet. Also, all our products, safety data sheets and the product data sheets are online. Get them on Pantheon Sales and Rental, and we always offer pillars of support here. And if you have any questions, just give us a call. Thank you.